Today I am reviewing the KitchenAid Artisan Series, a 5-quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. When it comes to iconic kitchen appliances, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer in Matcha is one of the most recognizable and trusted tools you can have in your kitchen. Known for its durability, performance, and timeless design, this stand mixer is built to handle everything from everyday baking to more advanced culinary tasks with ease. Let's start with the build quality. This mixer is constructed with a durable all-metal body, which gives it a solid, premium feel. Unlike lightweight plastic mixers, this one is built to last for years, even with frequent use. It features 59 touch points around the mixing bowl, which ensures that ingredients are thoroughly and evenly mixed every time. This means less scraping and more consistent results, whether you're making cookie dough, cake batter, or bread. The 5-quart stainless steel bowl is another major highlight. It offers plenty of capacity, allowing you to prepare large batches in one go. For example, you can mix up to 9 dozen cookies in a single batch, which is perfect for families, events, or anyone who likes to bake in bulk. The bowl also comes with a comfortable handle, making it easy to lift, pour, and carry. Plus, it's dishwasher safe, which makes cleanup much more convenient. One of the most user-friendly features of this mixer is its tilt head design. This allows you to easily lift the head of the mixer to access the bowl, add ingredients, or switch attachments. Once the head is tilted back down, it locks securely in place, ensuring stability while mixing. This design makes the entire process much more convenient, especially when you're working with multiple ingredients or recipes. The mixer offers 10 different speed settings, giving you precise control over your mixing process. From slow stirring to gentle mixing at lower speeds, to whipping cream or beating egg whites at higher speeds. This range of speeds ensures that you can handle nearly any recipe with accuracy. The consistency you get from this level of control is especially important for baking, where precision matters. Another great aspect of this KitchenAid mixer is its versatility. While it comes with a standard flat beater, dough hook, and wire whip, it is also compatible with a wide range of optional attachments. These attachments can turn your mixer into a pasta maker, meat grinder, vegetable slicer, and more. This means that the mixer isn't just for baking. It can become a multifunctional kitchen tool that grows with your needs over time. Design is another area where this mixer truly shines. The matcha color is a soft, modern, and elegant shade that fits beautifully into a wide variety of kitchen styles. One of the standout features of KitchenAid mixers is the wide range of color options available, allowing you to choose one that matches your personal style and kitchen decor. This makes it not just a functional appliance, but also a stylish centerpiece on your countertop. Performance-wise, the mixer delivers smooth, consistent results. Thanks to its powerful motor and stable base, it can handle thick doughs and heavy mixtures without struggling. Whether you're kneading bread dough or whipping cream, the mixer maintains a steady performance without excessive noise or vibration. Ease of use is another strong point. The controls are simple and intuitive, with a straightforward speed dial that lets you quickly select the right setting. The mixer is also stable during operation, thanks to its heavy base, so you don't have to worry about it moving around while in use. Cleaning and maintenance are also quite manageable. The stainless steel bowl and attachments are easy to clean, and many of them are dishwasher safe. The smooth exterior of the mixer can be wiped down easily, helping you keep it looking clean and polished over time. Overall, the KitchenAid Artisan Series 5-quart Tilt-Head Stand Mixer is a premium kitchen appliance that combines durability, performance, and versatility in one package. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced bakers who want a reliable tool that can handle a wide range of recipes. If you're serious about baking or simply want a high-quality stand mixer that will last for years, this KitchenAid model is an excellent investment. It's not just a mixer. It's a long-term kitchen companion that can elevate your cooking and baking experience to the next level.